My name's Paul Jason, I'm the motorcycle broker, and we're delighted to offer this beautiful 1994 first year of production Ducati 916 SP. This is the holy grail of 916 SPs. They made 310, which for the SP for 1 year was the lowest production number. However, most of these motorcycles went to race teams. They got destroyed, or you just can't do anything with them today. And very few made it to the public. Now, to find them in this condition is almost impossible. This particular motorcycle had 4,000 miles from new. We supplied it to an owner, but beforehand, really, you know, the bodywork needed work. It hadn't crashed or anything, but all the fixing points had gone brittle and were breaking. The paint was horribly faded, and all the fairing panels are the correct year. All the bodywork's correct for this bike. The parts are correct, which is very, very difficult to find. So it is a beautiful investment grade example. We managed to preserve a lot of the original paint on this motorcycle with the frame, but it was very corroded in parts. So what we did was we managed to take it back and do very specific, careful blow-ins and perfectly match the colour. So the frame paint is fantastic. The engine we repainted and the paint is perfect. The wheels, we blasted and repainted them. All of the bodywork we took back to the bare substrata and repainted it, perfectly colour matched it to the original paint. And we've got the bike ready to go, ready to set up. It's an investment grade 1994 Unicorn Ducati 916 SP. Have a quick look round it. We hope you enjoy it.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Wake up in the morning with a vision in my head. Look downtown on the river, boys. Starbound for a good time ride. Put him undercover for your heartfelt pride. Oh boy. Speed out of bunches where the journey is concerned. He cranked the wheels and his reputation burned. Take my love, I'm home again. So mama took control as they struggle through the rain. Oh, take my love, oh boy, again. Oh, wake me up when, oh boy, come in. Don't look up till I get back. Spiders making houses in a rundown shack. You got the trouble and I got the crime. Sitting on your money is a waste of time. Oh, you got the trouble and I got the crime. Oh, sitting on your money is a waste of time. Oh, don't look up till I get back. Oh, spiders making houses in a rundown shack. Oh, take my love, oh boy, again. Oh, wake me up when, oh boy, come in. Oh boy. Oh boy. Wake up in the morning with a vision in my head. Look downtown on the river, boys. Start a band for a good time ride. Put him undercover for your heartfelt pride. Oh boy. Expedited where the journey is concerned. He cranked the wheels and his reputation burned. Take my love, I'm home again. So mama took control as they struggle through the rain. Oh, take my love, I'm home again. Oh, wake me up when oh boy come in. Don't look up till I get back. Spiders making houses in a rundown shack. You got the trouble and I got the crime. Sitting on your money is a waste of time. Oh, you got the trouble and I got the crime. Oh, sitting on your money is a waste of time. Oh, don't look up till I get back. Oh, spiders making houses in a rundown.
So that's the Unicorn 1994 Ducati 916 SP, available for sale at the Motorcycle Broker now. My name's Paul Jason and I'm the Motorcycle Broker.